welcome everybody. We're excited to be here. We're excited to be. I'm Dave Frampton, Project 9. This is Mike McKino, Dave Bodden, Project 9 Construction. We're excited to be building this facility for terraces. Red and Dory are awesome. We're humbled to be your builder. It's going to be such a great asset. So I'd like to start with having you guys shovel some dirt. And then do some big dirt.
Okay. We didn't have any money in the budget to put into it, so it's going to be a minute.
Well, and we just wanted to say thank you to everyone that came today. We're kind of overwhelmed and realized what a great turnout we're going to have. So, and I just wanted to tell our design team, thank you so much. We've had some great comments from Payson City on how organized everything was and is, and so we're super grateful that everything's been on schedule, and we're just excited to get started.
I want to thank the mayor and the city. This has been one of the smoothest permitting processes I've been part of. So,
Amen to that.
Yeah,
You guys did great with it.
yeah, and I'd like to just take a second to thank the mayor. You know, he called me just out of the blue. I don't know if anybody knows that, but just a cold call out of the blue and said, I heard you guys want to move to Utah County, and we've been looking at Springfield. And we came down and met with Mayor and Brian and Dave, that's right. And went and took a little tour and thought this would work just great. So here we are. That's what started this. We're super excited to be a part of Payson City. You know, RVs have been a passion of our life, for 30 years. You know, I've sold RVs for 30 years. I absolutely love RVs. It's just what I do. I think most people love it. Brings families together. Families that play together, stay together. RVs are just a source of freedom to me. And, I look forward to being a great asset in Payson and doing what we can to help the city in any way we can, being a great partner. So thanks for having us. Appreciate everything to get us here. And we'll have something here for everybody to be proud of.